this part, this messy part, to the other bowl that I have. Just cut it there, yes, and then crack the other ones in your hand. Make sure you don't cut yourself. By the way, I'm just trying to do one of those things that people actually do on tutorials. So, sorry. Okay, so once that is in... Oh my god, there's yolk on this. What? What is that? Okay. As you can see, we have our yolk right here. Okay, so there's these really nasty white parts that you want to get rid of somewhere in there. Did you? Yolk is yellow. Yolk is yellow. Okay, anyways, we're going to take all those nasty parts out. Okay. With a fork. This isn't even actually my fork. Okay. So you want to actually start to mix all these up together, just to get, that little cream position. Yes. And then you want to come back to this one. And pop. This is going to be so satisfying. Oh my god, the light is bothering. Okay, light, be quiet for a second. Okay, are you ready? And pop. Pop. Oh, so fun. It wasn't fun. Okay, so once you're done mixing, the yolk should look something like an actual orange yolk, like it does now. Okay, moving on. Okay, I'm gonna use some sugar. Why not? That noise. Then some buffalo flavored powder. This stuff is like the best. Hold on. Just took a scoop of pepper and now I'm squeezing a lot. Okay. Okay, next we add some ground pepper. I found this random kind of dust, so I'm gonna use that because I think I just took it too much. Some coffee powder. Cut some fresh sachet. Some salt. Okay, this one's running out, so I can't use this anymore. Air. Great. A drop of sugar. Random powder. Yay. And then you may stir it all together. It's probably gonna turn out so ugly. Ew. It actually looks really, really good. I wanna try this. Should I? If we're about to try random things in like egg yolk, I wouldn't eat an egg. Comment down below if you want to see me eat an egg. That's really fun. Yes. Okay, so once you're done stirring that, you want to add a tiny bit of that yolk, or the yellow piece of the yellow ugliness, to that mixture, and then you want to add the whole thing. Because then it's going to leak and I don't want to fix that. Or you can just put it with some shiny. Okay, let's add some hot chocolate again. A little too much. I think I've added a little too much of that. Okay, we're just going to keep mixing until this turns into it actually turns into like a doughy consistency. That's so nasty. Let's add more coffee. Hot chocolate. Let's add a little more this time. The good thing is, we're not even halfway done. And this is probably super old, and plus I don't eat this kind of hot chocolate anymore. Yeah. And then stir. It's turned into like Play-Doh. Yes! Oh my god, this is so cute. I mean, cool. Like, it turned into like this, like, doughy consistency. Wait, let me try it. Ah, yolk on it! Okay, let's retry that. Because my paper towel already has yolk on it, so I brought another paper towel in case. So I'm going to finish mixing it, and I'm going to add a little bit more yolk. Like a tiny bit. So let's try it. It can actually be a really good prank to prank your friends, because it actually looks like chocolate. It's like, there's no light here, but it looks like chocolate. It looks like chocolate. Like, actually, I might say this. I'm going to prank some people. Yes. It's time for the taste test. I mean, see, it doesn't taste terrible. It does taste terrible, actually, but like, hold on. Okay, yeah, it does taste terrible. But like, since I added the warm hot chocolate to it, it actually tastes normal too. That's nice. Yes, okay. We're just gonna add more yolk to this. And I guess we're done. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed me having to actually taste this garbage. I'm actually literally gonna prank some people with this. This is really nice. Yes. If you want to see that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna keep this in the fridge. Make sure that nobody touches